In Python, how does one catch warnings as if they were exceptions? A third-party library, written in C, that I use in my Python code is issuing warnings. I want to be able to use the try-except syntax to properly handle these warnings. Is there a way to do this?
To handle warnings as errors, simply use this. After this, you will be able to catch warnings same as errors. For example, this will work. You can also reset the behavior of warnings by running PS added this answer because the best answer in comments contains misspelling, filter warnings instead of filter warnings.
To quote from the Python Handbook, 27.6.4. Testing warnings.
If you just want your script to fail on warnings, you can invoke Python with a W argument.
Here's a variation that makes it clearer how to work with only your custom warnings.